everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be doing an air filter install. It's a very fast process. So here I have a OEM cabin air filter for a Volkswagen Golf. I mean, Audi also use the same parts, so we're going to go inside. I need to remove the glove box to take out the old air filter because the dealer will charge a lot more. So you can just buy the parts around like $19–30 at best on Lazada. And it's shipped to your house. You can just do this job within like 5 minutes. So let's go and sort out this cabin air filter. Alright, so inside the car. So in order to start the process, we kind of need to open up the glove box. Yes, if you say you have stuff, it's not going to be that ideal. Once you release the glove box, then you can access the cabin air filter, which is behind here. Do it. There's two clips right here. There's one right there, right here, and then another one right there in that corner. So we're gonna go ahead and drop this and get access to the air filter. Alright, so right here is where the air filter is up there for the cabin, and yes, your fuse panels right here too. The difference between the TSI, GTI and Golf R, it's all roughly in the same compartment. It's all behind the glove box, so the process is still the same. Just be careful of this arm over here because you don't want to snap this. You can see it's a certain hook that hooks in to the side of the glove box. And you can see the amount of dust that actually has gathered up to here. I'll probably just clean this up before I change the filter, just for cleaning measures. Right, the right way to remove this is actually by pushing down these clips. So pop that one, you push down and towards you, like that. And then the last one in that corner. There we go. I haven't taken out the cloth, but you can actually see there's a fair bit of dirt already. See how dirty it is when we pull it out. So take a note of the orientation. This side is facing downwards. You don't really want to do it in the wrong orientation. The service intervals as to when you're actually meant to change this, but I don't know since when it was last changed, because we stopped going to Volkswagen quite a while back. I don't know if you guys will find this interesting, but there's actually some rust developing here, and if you're wondering, that's the blower fan. It sucks in from somewhere up there, which I suspect it's from up here. Remember to reattach this when you put it back. I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. There you go. So now you put it in. It's in there, the catch is in there. And now you can just raise this thing up. It's gotta go over the hooks again. Now, to verify that everything is fine, I closed it all the way up. Just gonna get accessory power on. Alright, most of the old smell it had last time is gone. Actually smells not bad now. Alright, it works. No issues, and yeah, filter install done.